Hi, this is Jason, and today we're going to be playing the first song of the John W. Schaum Green Book. A few things to remember before we get started is good posture, sitting up straight, and curved fingers, and flat back of your hand. Imagine that your fingers form a tunnel that a train's going to go through. We are on page 11, and we're playing notation melodies. We're going to start with right hand alone, and this first line is 4/4 time, which means there are going to be 4 beats per measure. We're going to play it a few different ways. First, we're going to do it saying what notes we're playing. Then we're going to do it with counting, then with singing. Ready? Go. C, D, E, rest, E, D, C, rest, C, D, E, D, C. Now with counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my assistant will sing.
This is up. This is down. Let's go up and down.
We're now going to go to the second line of the right hand alone. This one is 3/4 time, which means it's 3 beats per measure. First, the letter names. C, D, E, F, 2. F, E, D, C. Now with counting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now my assistant will sing.
Going up 4, coming down 4.
Now the third line, back to 4/4 time, which is 4 beats per measure. First, the letter names. C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C. Now counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my assistant will sing.
Let's go up to here. Let's come down again.
Now for the left hand alone. First line, 4/4 time. C, B, A, B, C, C, B, A, B, C. with counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my assistant will sing.
This is down. This is up. Let's go down and up.
And now the second line of the left hand alone section. This is 3/4 time, so we'll play 3 beats per measure. C, B, A, G. G, A, B, C. Now with counting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now with singing.
Going down 4. Coming up 4.
Now the last line of the left hand alone section. This is back to 4/4 time. C, B, A, G, F. F, G, A, B, C. Now with counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my assistant will sing.
Let's go down to here. Let's come up again.
Thank you, keep practicing, and have fun.